For our business report, last week, Standard & Poor's downgraded Nigeria's credit rating, and just yesterday, Nigeria raised its interest rates. Africa 54 business correspondent Jill Malandrino joins us live from New York to tell us more. Jill?
Good morning, Linord. The rout in oil really has done a number on the Nigerian economy, and that was the basis for the downgrade by S&P, taking the credit rating to negative from stable. The agency's oil price assumptions for 2016 through 2019 is about $20 a barrel. It also reflects Nigeria's foreign exchange policy. However, S&P did say it believes that medium-term prospects could be assisted by an oil rebound as well as government reforms.
Jill, was the raise in interest rates a surprise?
Yeah, Nigeria raised rates by 1 percentage point, taking its benchmark interest rate to 12%. It was widely unexpected because the Central Bank of Nigeria lowered rates by 200 basis points in November to help support the economy, which has been hit due to the plunge in oil prices. However, inflation rose in February, exceeding 10% for the first time in 3 years. And since the Central Bank of Nigeria is trying to keep inflation and the naira stable, it tightened policy.
What else can Nigeria do to try and stabilize its economy?
That's a good question. And analysts believe that the departure from monetary policy and taking rates higher could be a signal that the CNB may devalue the naira, even though the government has repeatedly said it will not. In fact, following the rate hike announcement, the naira moved 1% higher against the U.S. dollar. Devaluing the naira would make Nigeria more competitive in global trade, but recall that the country is not an exporting nation, which is why President Buhari doesn't want to devalue. The goal is to become less dependent on crude oil and diversify across a broad spectrum of industries like agribusiness and technology to achieve economic growth.
Good reporting there, Jill. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And that was Africa 54 business correspondent Jill Malandrino reporting live from New York.